Hello, I'm back, and this is my mini vlog for today. So, for today's video, we are here or on the way to Communal Garden Ranch in Impasugong, Bukidnon. So, yan yung way paakyat. It's rough road, but you will be amazed with a view. It's all green, natural, nature na nature siya. So yan, ang view niya down, makita nyo yung mga bundok-bundok. And look at the clouds, so beautiful because it was early morning. And this is also their pond na where these cows na mag-inom sa ilang water. It's brown because it was raining the whole night. So yan, si Inday, sakay-sakay, riding in a horse. So 250 pala bayad yun guys for 30 minutes. And this place has entrance fee which is 50 pesos. So worth it naman the view. So yun lang, buyers.